Today I'm going to be making a recipe from off the back of a package of the Krusteaz cornbread mix. Now I was going to the grocery store looking for recipes on the backs of different types of packaging, and this just looked really kind of interesting. A cheesy corn casserole. Sounded good to me. I think it's going to be good for you. So let's get started. Here are the ingredients that are needed. Now the first thing you're going to need to do, preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Next, we're going to be doing this in a 9x9 baking dish. So get one of those greased up. I'm using an avocado spray. Get yourself a big bowl. I'm sorry, almost getting ahead of myself there. I've got 1 stick of butter. Going to be putting that in the microwave because I'm going to need melted butter. I have my melted butter. Next, take your package of the corn mix, dump that in a large bowl. I hope this bowl is going to be large enough. And the recipe will be on the back of the package. Dump in 1 can of creamed corn, our melted butter. We have 8 ounces of sour cream and 1.5 cups of shredded cheddar cheese. This is a 2-cup package, which is fine because that will leave me a little bit to put on the top at the very end. We'll get this all blended together. Here's what it's looking like right now. Gonna pour that into our 9x9 baking dish. Get it nice and smoothed out. That is looking terrific so far. With some of that leftover cheese, I'm just going to be sprinkling some along the top here. Now we've got plenty of cheese in it, so it's just going to be almost for decoration. And into the oven for about the next 48 to 52 minutes. Be right back. Okay, I just pulled it out of the oven. It's been in there for about 50 minutes, maybe 52. It's looking pretty good. It rose up very nicely. Here's what it's looking like. Check this out. Here it is on the plate. So how does it taste? Let's find out. That's really very good. You really pick up on those little kernels of corn that are in there. You get that sweetness from the corn. Gotta try another one. Gunner's wanting some. Not sure how I can pull this off. Let me see. Gunner, here you go. Head up, boy. There you are. Think he's liking it. It's Gunner approved. If it's approved by you, give me a like down below with the like button. Maybe a subscription. There's a hype button down there possibly if you're on a mobile phone. Really appreciate it if you hit that. Leave me a comment. Love the comments. I try to read them all. And with that said, I will catch y'all next week. Bye-bye.